The purpose of this video is to run through how to download and install GDP Manager. The first step anyway is to go to this particular link, which will be shown in the description below, and basically download the application. So you just scroll down here and then you just see where it says App GDP Manager to download the application. So you select this link and then it'll basically come down. So if you select on the link here, it's just if it comes up with this here, you'll be able to see that the application will come up to run, and then it will go off to install. So install it for everyone, and it should be fairly quick. In my case, it's going to ask me for the administrator account. So if I just bring this across here, now, so it'll go off and do its install. Okay, so once we have that done, then it'll be installed in the start menu. So if I open the GDP Manager there, so once it's installed, what you'll see if you click this gear icon is that you'll see an option for SQLite, MariaDB, and SQL Server. So these represent the repositories for the actual database. So at the very start, we'll just use SQLite. It's a flat file, and the SQLite database can just be taken and placed onto the NAS, onto a NAS or some kind of a SAN, some kind of a storage device in general. I recommend MariaDB purely because it's a MySQL database equivalent, and it can become an infinite size. That's basically the way that I would use it. You could also use SQL Server as well, but then you get into the license costs and so on. So SQLite is a great one just to use, just as an example here. Okay, so the default administrator account is just simply admin. So that gets everybody up and running. Then we can just enter in. Okay, so with the application here, it opens up. We're in as the administrator, and what we want to do then is we want to go off and set up our users and so on. So that's the next video of what we lead into. If I just click on the user admin here, we'll be able to see that there's a number of dummy accounts which are included with the application, so that people can get this this application up and running. You'll see that there's basically the admin, you can do anything, then there's dot control, and then there's standard users and so on. So I will go into those details in the next video. Thank you.